This is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is October 18th, 2024, and this is my weekly market review. We're reviewing the Dow 30, that's DIA, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's jump over here to the charts and take a quick look at this quarterly chart and see what we see. Maximize, resize, and zoom in a little bit. What we can see here, the Dow is still hot. And it's still hanging out above that yearly R2. How close is that R3? That R3 is way up around above 460 level. Don't know if we're going to make it there. That's only $30 away, so it is possible that we can make it there by the end of the year. And I'll just keep making highs here throughout the remainder of the year. But that's what I see. I see it still getting higher highs and higher lows. Let's go ahead and go down to the monthly chart. On the monthly chart, I'll zoom in a little bit here. We can see that we are still above the 9-10 moving average, so that means we're still in a technical bull market. This is the Russell. I was going to say that's not the Dow. Let me start over. I didn't do all my charts. I missed one. I just missed one. That's all right. All right, let me go back in here on the Dow. We are, again, because the Dow is making higher lows and higher highs, still looking very bullish, still above the 9-10 moving average, still above that quarterly pivot, still with a target of going to this R1. It definitely, when it's on a nice bull run, it will get above an R1 level. Nice start bull run above an R1 level, nice bull run above an R1 level, and I'll pull back from above pivot to below pivot, and still it didn't quite make it to an R1 there, but started out the following month and ran strong, following few months and ran strong. So that's the thing that I see here on the Dow. I do see the Dow running higher, and I don't know when we're going to get that pullback. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like I'm saying back here in August, this might have been our pullback. We got it here early, and for the rest of the year, this market may continue to run higher. And also be very careful about trying to short this market at this time. Just be patient, pay attention to your tools that you're using, and trade accordingly to those things and all. All right, but let's go down to the weekly chart and see what we see here on the weekly chart. We can see, zoom in and all. Again, this market kind of hesitated a little bit right here, a few weeks ago. And then after that, it started making new highs. Again, a new high this week, closed up here at this monthly R1. And the question is it going to go higher? A lot of times, if it's really hot, and look like we have reached an R3 level on the Dow, is this going to be one of those months where we reach an R3 level? This is October. This is coming up before elections. Don't know exactly what's going to happen here. Just be mindful of your tools and what you're using and your strategies. Let's go ahead and go down to the daily chart and see what we see there and wrap this on up on the daily chart. As we can see, again, like I said before, you get where you had these dojis at expiration, option expiration, so that's what I see here. Like I said, it jumped to a certain level, and then it tends to go sideways. So it did exactly what I kind of expect. Even though I had a bullish pattern, and you might have been thinking it's going to go higher, but this is one of the keys that I like using is looking at the option, open interest and what's going on in the option, world. And if I can see in the option world, there's levels where this market may not want to go above, but then there's also levels that this market may want to get above, then play that game with them also, But that's all I really want to share. No trade recommendation there, and I didn't really call out no numbers, no exact trade. But again, things happen around that time, so it sometimes is a good week for particular strategies, and that's all I really want to share at this time. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you later. Have a good one. Bye.